Hey guys! If you have found this video, you have most likely purchased this beginner macrame kit on Amazon. So let's get started and make this cute macrame plant hanger. The supplies you'll be using today are macrame cord, a tape measure. You will also want to use one of the wooden rings. Feel free to grab any size that you would like. Mine's about the 2-inch size. You will also grab 4 beads. I use the smaller decorative darker beads. You will need some scissors. You can use the scissors supplied or you can use a pair of your own. I'm going to choose to use my Ginger scissors. And here's a list of the supplies, but you will also want to use one of the silver S hooks that were included in your kit. To start, you will grab your tape measure and measure a cord out 7 feet long or approximately 84 inches. You will want to cut 8 cords at this length. You will also want to cut out 2 extra cords at about 2 feet long or 24 inches. These will be used for your wrap knots. And a little macrame tip, clothing racks are amazing for cutting cord and working on your pieces. Next, you're going to grab the silver S hook and hang it on your clothing rack or wherever you're choosing to make this piece, and your wooden ring. Next, you're going to grab your 8 macrame cords that you cut at about 7 feet long, fold them so they are evenly matched in half, and place them through that wooden ring of yours. You will want to make sure that they're all even and none of the cords are overlaying on each other. Next, you will grab one of your cords you cut at about 24 inches, and you are going to use this to make a wrap knot to secure your cord onto your wooden ring. If you are not familiar with the wrap knot, I do have a tutorial for this on my page. I ended up wrapping my cord around for a total of 10 times before securing it. Once it's time to pull that tail through and to give it a good tight pull, you may have to pull it extra tight to get that all the way secure, but this way you know that your knot is good and it's not going anywhere. Go ahead and grab your scissors and just clip off the tail ends, and then you can take the tip of your scissors and tuck those in just so it has that clean look and you can't see them. Next, you will count 4 cords and you are going to get ready to create a series of square knots. If you are not familiar with the square knot, I do have a tutorial strictly for that knot. You can give it a look. However, it is a pretty easy knot. You will take the right cord, place it over the center 2, take that left one, pull it behind and through that loop. That is halfway done. And the same thing with the other side. Take that left cord over the top 2, that right one's going to go behind those 2 through that loop and pull it tight. You will complete that step 9 more times for a total of 10 square knots all the way down. And here's what it looks like when you have your 10 square knots done. You will complete those same steps 3 more times around for a total of 4 what I like to call little arms. And here's what it will look like once you have all 4 of your arms completed. All right, next you're going to grab an inner and an outer cord from one arm and do the same thing. Grab an inner and an outer cord from the other arm, and those will be what you're going to work with. While still holding on to the new cords that you will be working with, grab your tape measure. You're going to measure from the bottom of that last square knot approximately down 4 inches. You will then make a square knot. Once you are done with that square knot comes the fun part. Choose one of the beads you want to use from the kit. I chose the darker small printed beads. I think they look super cute on this. You're going to take the 2 center cords from that square knot, and that's what you're going to put the bead on. You can either fold your cord and try to squeeze it in that hole. Another suggestion is to tape the ends of the cord and you can put it on there easily. Or if you like, I like these easy beaders, and you can just put your bead right on top of it. You're going to slip your cord right through that little hole, and it's so nice. You can just slide your bead on it. I will put a link for that on my Amazon in the comments below. I love how easy it is applying beads with that easy beader. Once you're done, you're going to create another square knot to secure that bead on there. You will do this 3 more times around. So grab those 2 leftover cords and then another outer and inner cord from the arm next to it, and you will place another square knot approximately 4 inches down. Now you can choose to measure it out, or you can just eye it up like I like to do. Again, this easy beader is so nice. It slides them on, and you can do more than just 1 beads. I have put 7, 8 larger size beads on there and just slid them right on. It is so convenient. All right, you'll do this 2 more times and we are halfway done with our plant hanger. All right, once you're done with all 4 beads, you are then going to grab your tape measure and measure from that bottom square knot approximately 4 more inches down, and you are going to place another square knot. Once you have finished that square knot, you're going to go ahead and place 4 more square knots for a total of 5. And again, you will do this all the way around 3 more times, and you can choose to measure each one, or you can just eyeball where each knot is once you grab a new section. And this is what it should look like at this point. All right, we'll be joining these arms one more time, so you're going to want to make sure you have your tape measure, but you're going to grab an outer and inner cord from one arm section, and then the same thing on another arm section next to it, and measure approximately 5 inches down. You will then place 1 square knot. You will do this 3 more times around, joining all of these arm sections together. And this is what it will look like. Next, you're going to grab that extra piece of cord you cut that is approximately 24 inches, gather up the bottom of your macrame plant hanger, and you are going to create another wrap knot to secure your plant hanger. You will want to place your wrap knot just at the base of those 4 square knots. I did wrap it around for a total of 10 times. Once you have secured your knot, go ahead and clip off the tail ends and tuck them in with your scissors. This was about how much cord was left over, so I just measured it down to approximately 5 or 6 inches and clipped the tail end of the cord. You have now completed your macrame plant hanger from the beginner macrame kit, and it is so cute. I love the beads. Next, choose which plant pot you want to enjoy, and I love this orange one. It seemed to accent those beads really well. This plant hanger does measure approximately 26 inches total in length, and the pot that I put in it has a diameter of 6 inches. And you could choose to do smaller, you could choose to do bigger, but here it is. I hope you guys love your macrame plant hangers you guys have just created. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more macrame tutorials, especially from this kit. Thanks, guys. I hope you love it.